All right, there we go. We are live. We are live. We are live. We are live. At least I hope we're live. We should be live. I think we're live. Come on. Come on, be live. Where are you? Oh, there we are. I was like, why is this not working? Announcements. Day 7? I think it's day 7, yeah. Okay, so let's go back to where I was in the game yesterday. So here's where we left off, right? We've got this. I can select the characters. I can there. I think we should probably make it so like if you select the character, it deselect. Like select the character twice, it deselects them. So let's do that here. This will be the user. Oh, what was it? Target. DB log. Starting target. If value is not equal to target. Here, and then we'll say else target equals null. And that also means that target object equals null. Oh wait, and then we need to clear that, right? Did I do a clear target? Oh, we gotta do this. Okay, let's try this again here. Play. It does not work yet. Of course. Wait, did this not save? No, it did. Okay, if value is not equal to target, else this. This should be here, and this should do the null. Like this is still. Oh, maybe I had it playing wrong. No, it's still not working. Pause. Okay. Let's see here. Debug.log. I'm in here. And then we want that target here. That's the running in here. Oh, no, not that one. Where did I put that? All the logging here. Oh, it's here. Yeah. Not what I'm looking for. There's too much logging. Oh, wait, here. Wait, no. There we go. That's what we want. We don't need the extras. There. We've got all the logic in the game already. There we go. See? The trick is just to like actually remove. Beautiful. Okay. So that works. Here. Okay, so now that we can deselect, what we want to do now is I'm just going to make like an auto attack, right? Here. Actually, wait. What if I do this? Can we get the position of the mouse down? Unity get mouse position. Or get click position? Click position. Ray camera main screen point to right. Input mouse position. If wait, what's this? The current current mouse position in pixel coordinates. Read only. The bottom left of the screen or window is at 0, 0, the top right of the screen. That's not what I'm looking for, though. I want the get the click to get world coordinates unity. Get world coordinates unity. Put mouse pointer vector. Ray origin plus distance. World point. Wait, this is a ray? Screen point to ray. There is no necessary coordinates of position click on the screen. If you click something to give you perspective and distance, normally what you would have is a very large plane representing the ground, and see there's nowhere. Looking good. Be right back. I'm back. Welcome back. Sorry I missed your message there. I think I'm missing something on my side screen here, so I didn't see that come up. There we go, chat. There we go. Welcome back. How are you feeling today? How was your sleep? Okay, there we go. Suppose that's kind of better. There we go. Much better. I can see better. Use transform component with a little bit of script. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It looks like everybody's saying to use array though. Why would we use array instead of just the transform position? Let's see what the difference is here. Wait, what is this? I think this is like, this almost looks like probably the JavaScript version of this. Yeah, I'm fairly certain that's the JavaScript version. Vector 3. It looks a lot like it though. Equals. $40 subs, boy. Nice. Wait, I have 40 subs? Damn. Getting up there. Getting up there in the subs. Get coordinates of mouse. Yeah, so everything's always array here. Ray hit. Here we go. This is what we want. There we go. Collider hit. Yeah, I guess it's like all of this, right? Except for we don't need the physics ray. Would that be it? No. Wait, mouse position. I think this is for like click. Mouse click to world space. Screen point to ray. Ray out hit distance. I don't want the distance. I don't care about the distance. I literally just want to know where we are. How to convert the mouse position to world space in Unity. I would have made it so whenever you click, it moves a tiny object and displays the coordinates of the box. Yeah, but that wouldn't work for what I'm actually trying to do, right? And this is a camera. That's not what I want. Get world position. How to get the mouse position in world space in Unity. Vector 3. I think this is actually it. Here, and that's a vector 3D. Yeah. Okay. So I think we found a way to do it. Vector, yeah, okay, vector 3D. Yeah. Debug.log format. Click location. World position. There we go. This might be literally what I'm looking for. Here we go. Ah, oh, it's beautiful. And then here we would say Unity move character to coordinates. Move towards. Here we go. Float step speed times time delta. Yeah, and then just this. Do. Boom. What would speed be? I think let's start with 200. 200's like our default speed for now. Here we go. It's unknown scripting. Wait, the reference script unknown. What's the error? Oh wait, that's a camera. No, wait, sorry. Time delta, vector 2. Transform position, target position. Oh wait, that's not it. Here, world position. World position. There we go. It's perfect in every I love it so much. Move towards the position to move towards, the distance to move current per call, the position to move forward. Okay, so what do we got? Step. The step is 200. Let's say 2. It kind of works, I guess. Like, it's not wrong. It's moving very slowly. Let's say 50. 200 is kind of weird. 200 is kind of odd, but like let's see what this actually looks like here. This is really weird. Like these locations don't make any sense. I guess that's where the ray comes. Get location under mouse. Unity. In Unity, getting the mouse. Screen to world position. I thought this is what I did. Wasn't it? Screen to world position. Yeah. Vector, there's the world position. Then what's next? Input mouse position. Getting the mouse position in world space is a 3D scene. In a 3D scene using screen ray. I guess it's this, right? Distance. Like, let's see. Let's try this. And there. Okay, so there. World position equals. Let's see if this works, and then we'll if this works, we're gonna dissect it and see if we can get even better details. Like, it totally didn't work. It kind of worked, actually. Yeah, it kind of worked. I just don't know why it's not doing it every time. Oh, you know what? It's because it only runs once. Okay, so here we'll say private vector 3. I think it's a vector 3, right? World position. Yeah, it's a vector 3. Vector 3, new position. Var speed. See here, var speed float. How fast the object rotate. Transform rotate. Yeah, I don't know that we're ready yet. Wait, does that work? Let's take a look at this. Let's look. Oh, wait, and this is the... Yeah. I think the issue that I'm running into is that we only ever run this once. So what we need to do is break this into something that we can run multiple times here. So this would be a new position. Oh. So if new position is not equal to user dot. Wait, is it user? I thought I had. No, it's what, rigid body, right? We need that rigid body. I think I've got a rigid body around here somewhere, right? Where's the distance for target here? If new position is not the same as transform dot position, right? There, and then this would be new position. Oops. New and new position. Step and new position is not equal to null. Else if new position is equal to null, is not equal to null. No, let's just do this. I don't think we need an else. Here, there we go. I gotta start remembering. I'll just send it on Discord. Sounds good. Hey, this works. That's beautiful. It totally works. Somewhat. New position. Okay, so let's make this 10. I think 10 might be a little bit more reasonable. Then we won't jump around so much, right? Wait, so this runs on the null. This is running on the null, I think. Click location 0, 0. It's not equal to vector 3, 0, 0, 0. If it would load. Can you just use that code? Which code? Which? New. There we go. This is definitely not what we want to do in production, but this is fine for now. There we go. It's the y coordinates. We have to like zero out the y. Unity, ignore y in move to. I am taking a look. Look, it's how fast the object should rotate. Update most y. Okay. Wait. Oh. Yeah, that might be perfect. Yeah, all right. I think this might work. So what we're going to do, yeah, so 10 seems good enough for now, right? So what I'm going to do here is new position, right? Is going to be when we save new position, right? Move to, where's new position? New position here. Get rid position. Now, if I'm not which one here is the one that we're having the trouble with here? Because like I think it's the Y position, right? Yeah, so we want to 0 Y. So vector 3 unity. Which one's Y? Up, right? Up 0. One. Negative infinite. Huh. Vector 3 has 0? Vector 3 dot just lock Y. Like on the unit? Would that work? But what happens if there's a ramp? Like what if we actually want to move the object in up in the Y because they go up a ramp? Like here, let me do this. Select 3D object. Be a plane? No. It'd be a cube? No. What's this? Not that. Want like stairs. Like a ramp of some kind, right? So I guess that could be a cube, right? So if I do a cube, then we zoom in here and we, oops, this is the game. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna come over to this cube here, and we're going to move it down and over here, like so. And then we're going to make it bigger, like this. Make it wide. Oops. There we go. Make it nice and thin. It doesn't need to be really big. And then we'll move it around like so. And then rotate it, which would be this one, I think. Yeah, there we go. Move it down a bit more here. And then let's rotate this a bit more. And then move it up. There we go. Play. Wow, the struggle bus is real. Yeah. Whee! So what happens if we click here? So, oh, okay. This makes sense. So it's not a problem. Oh, wait, what the? It's not really a big problem unless it really wants to push you in the off this thing. Okay, so it's not a huge problem, but I can fix it later. But for now, what I can do here is if new position dot x is not equal to transform dot position x, and new position dot z is not equal to transform dot position dot z. There. And then not this here. And then we'll do here and equals null. Oh wow, it just will not allow me to do that. That's because it's tracking the ground. Yeah, that's fine for now. Like, I imagine that it's just something I need to set, right? Because, like, it's probably... Yeah. There's probably, like, a raycast that I could probably get that would hit this and then whatnot. So I could probably do that. That might work, actually. That might be a bit of a better way of doing it. This should not be a problem. I thought it was the Y that was the problem. Yeah, the Y should be the problem, not the Z. So why am I... That should be... This should be 36.3. And this should be 6.6. Wow. All right, well... That was interesting. Else... New position equals vector 3 equals new vector 3. There. Hmm. Do the health bars work? Not quite. I'm going to come back to this. Okay. I'm going to come back to this because it's getting really annoying. Here we go. We're just going to do this for now. There we go. All right, let's do this distance thing. Ah. Ow. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so raycast hit information. Right, and then if we come over to here, the character, I'm here. That's fine. Attack with the distance. Take damage. Oh, right. That's what we were doing with the health bars. Character here. This goes into here, which would be the enemy health bars and the here. Right. So in the start here, we would say user health bar dot max health equals user dot equals max health. Or wait, no, it's, what is it? It's stats dot wait, no. Is it just max health? What did I save that under? Oh, we don't have max health yet. All right, let's get health working. Let's get our health system working here. As I get completely sidetracked here. This will be a stat, right? Total experience. No, that's stat. And then here it's character stats. There. And then here we'll say public u long max health, and then this here would be computed, right? So we don't actually want this to be available to people, but we want it to be public so we can actually access it. Character stats here. There. And then this will have a set and get. This will have a get, right? Get, and the get will equal, this has a random number here. We have a health number, like health math here. So B3, which is stamina. So this would be stamina here. So this would be return stamina dot value times 75. And then in character here, for user here, what we can say is user health bar dot max health equals max health. No, I put that on stats dot max health. There we go. And then when we target a user here, character, we've got the target. Here, what we'll say is on target we need to, is this virtual? User. Yeah, here. What we'll do here is where we normally put this? Here. Private void update target and then this would be a character, and it would be new target. And here we'll just say update target. And then this would be target equals new target, right? Oh, wait. It's not actually a target that we pass in, right? It's character split right user. Here we go. It is a transform. equals new target. And then what we'll do here is target object dot max health stats dot max health. And then this would equal to enemy health bar dot max health equals. And then here enemy health bar dot value. Is it value? Equals, we'll just say 0 for now. What did I set this as? I think it was current health, right? Yeah, current health. Current health. User health bar dot current health equals stats dot current health. Oh, that's so bad. Okay, so here we'll say ulong public ulong current health, and then we can have a get return current health and then here we'll need to also set the current health here. This would be, or can we do this? Slider.value. Oh, that's not good. Okie dokie. Oh man, that's really, really, really not good. Okay, yeah, no, okay. So good. So good. Max value is 100. The max value is always 100. Oh man, that's so bad. Okay, so wait, this has the public. So this is void start. And then here we would say slider dot max value equals 100. And then slider dot value equals 100, right? Yeah, and then here we'll just do the sets, right? Yeah, okay, cool. So this would be set, and then we've got a value, right? So it'd be, we don't care what it is there. So set max value, this is useless now. Because the numbers won't line up. If we have a float, then it won't line up with what we could have, right? So slider value will be, So the slider value will be here will be divided by 100, or sorry, divided by oh man, this is so bad. Okay, so this isn't going to do what I want it to do. Because I'd have to pass in the max health and everything, right? So this would be public long current health, public u long max health, right? And then here we would have to create it. This is so fun. So this would be health bar, and then this would take in some values, right? So this would take in the value of a u long current health and max health u long there. And then here we would say current health equals current health. Actually, this can just be max health because we'll be no, yeah, max health equals max health. Gonna put these slightly different because this is going to feel a bit better when we actually do it there. And then for this, when we set the current health, right? When we set current health, we want to also set the slider value to that minus max health. So that should be that, and this should be... Actually, I don't know that we need that, actually. Let's just do that. Current health. Current health will do that here. And get return current health. And that would be max health. And then we'll also do a set and get here. And this is just so if we set the max health, the current health will need to be able to go down to whatever the max health is if it's higher, right? So set and get. This will be public u long max health. Okay, so this would return max health. And then here we would say if value is greater than max, then current health if max is greater than current health, current health equals value, then max health equals value. And this needs to be wrapped up like this, and this needs to be a float. there we go. And this is always going to give us a percentage. Beautiful. Okay, so there, and I think now we need to actually do the health bar. Yeah. And then here we'll have max health, which will be a U long, and oops, and then a U long current health. And then this would do, sorry. This here would set the current health. So current health equals current health. And it's just because we want to do it in this order. Max health equals max health. And this should have an underscore. So I think I can do this. No? Yes? Oh, beautiful. There we go. Ah, beautiful. So this would be user let's see what happens now, because I think this actually creates a crash. Sup, Goofy King? Oh, it doesn't create a crash. Interesting. Figured that it would. Are you Sudokid? Yes, I am. Why, what's up? I'm your fan. I am happy to hear that. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So take the user. We set to max health, right? So max health equals that, and then like your big fan. Like not actually your fan. Wait, I'm very confused. But welcome, anyways. A fan of the object. The object. Would this count as the object? I'm very confused. dot current health. Actually, no, when we only should do the max health here. Yeah, we pass in the max health, and then that would do that, right? We could have the coordinates here. I'm kind of leaning towards doing coordinates for this. Is this playing? This is not playing, sorry. There we go. If I do this, I can get the coordinates for the user health position. How long have you been doing Unity? Wait. This is my third day. Yeah, third day. User health bar equals new user. Sorry, new health bar. I also don't know C#, so we're winning here. Unity, create, object. Wait, what if I do this? On the title, it said day 7. I started out, no, it's 7. It's day 7 of the the development of the game. But I started out with Godot. This is what we started with here. Let's see here. Play. Here's what we had in the end. Oh, yeah, it's broken right now. Forgot. I didn't leave it in a clean in an unbroken state. Where did that break? Here. There. I think this is that. Yeah, there. Save. See if it works now. There we go. Yeah. So you're new. Very new. Yeah. Super, super new. This is my second game as well. So it's a couple days of Unity, second game overall. You know, getting the works done. You know, this was the first game. If superkid.dev, right? This was the first MMO, the first game, the first MMO. You know, you click to move. Everything revolves around left click. Click to move. You click on something to attack it. Yeah. Any character that looks like this is a fellow character, like an actual player. Open sourced it. All the links are for that is down below as well. I put them in the description. But yes, super, super new. Yeah. Unity 3, Unity instance. What was this? It was an instance of, what was the type for this? Oh, wait, would I be able to instance this? Select child. I don't know that I could instance that. Okay. Okay, I think I know what I want to do. Okay, I'm not going to do that. What did I just do? I don't think I did anything there. Let's just play and make sure nothing's broken. Okay, nothing's broken. Attempt to divide by 0. If value is not equal to 0. There we go. Else slider.value equals value. There we go. Okay. Here. So max health, we'll set that, and then we'll user health bar dot current health equals stats dot max health. There. And I think because I made these public here, we should see them in the they should show up. So let's close this. Close this. There's the max health and the current health. So if I go like this, I should see them change from 0. I do not see them change from 0. So good. Okay, why is this not working? set max. So this should always be 100. Oh, sorry, not the max. That shouldn't always be 100, but like health bar, not this. This dot max. Sorry. Dot max. I don't know. Yeah, those are always set to 100 and 100 on start. And then, oh, wait. We want to do this. No, we don't actually care about that. And we'll just do this. There. I think this should work. Because it's not getting instance, so it does, I don't think it does work. We're still not getting the right values here. Attempting to divide by 0. How are we attempting to divide by 0? Where are we attempting to divide by 0? Set current health. If value is not equal to 0. And max health is not equal to 0. Oh, that's annoying. $75. Yeah. I got a health value. So good. Okay, so that's good. You just started 1 month ago? Nice. Are you far along, or have you built anything really super interesting? Do you want to share anything that you've built? Okay, let's see here. Slider value here. Oh wait, this is health bar. Yeah. We want the user here. So if we set the current value, the current, these should both be that. So if value is not, oh, that's why. Current health equals value. There we go. How are you finding game development? There we go, 75. Now, if I dynamically set this here to say this minus 10, and then I come over here and do this, I should have the bar should change. It's not changing. Interesting. So the slider value is not changing. I've never learned C# before. It was very hard for about 2 weeks. So you're saying that I should get over it in about 2 weeks, because this is my first real forte into C# as well. So yeah, I'm in the same boat as you, except for you've been doing it for longer than me. much longer than me. A whole 2 weeks longer than me. Slider value. The slider value is not updating though. Why is the slider value not updating? Oh, I'm not getting the slider, that's why. How about the game that you made? The game I made, I did in 12 days. I've been doing game development for a little bit longer than you, as in like maybe about a month. No, not even a month. The 23rd or 24th will be a month. Let's see here. Was it? Wait, no. Yeah, we're just past a month because I think I started on the no. I started on the 23rd, yeah. So the 23rd is when I started making that last game. So I made that browser game. That browser game I made from the 23rd to the 3rd, and then I released it. And then 7 days ago, so I think around here or here, I started making the new game. And this is how far I am right now. And then on Saturday, I started switching over from Godot to Unity. Yeah. You have learn a lot then. I think it's partially like all where you start, right? Okay, so there's an issue with this. Wait, is it this? Would it be this? What's the issue here? Is it the I wonder if this is not running before this. This should run after, right? Here. But I think that this slider is not valid. Let me double check to make sure. Yeah, let me double check to make sure that this actually has the slider in it. Unity here. Health bar slider. There we go. Okay, so it definitely does have the slider in it. So that should allow me to set the value of the slider. And the slider should be set to 100. Yeah. Now, if I preset these to 100, I don't need to worry about the startup. Oh no, the min value is 0. Yeah, there we go. There. Here. Then I don't need this startup because they'll auto set to 100 on start. Then I want to do that with this other one too. This should be set to 100. There. Play. Oh, look at that. They worked. Beautiful. Enemy health bar dot enabled equals. Why don't you use Visual Studio? I don't like the Vim bindings in Visual Studio very much. And the autocomplete doesn't seem to be as good. Enemy health bar is not working correctly here. I thought it was no, it's visible. That's what it is. Visible. Is it that? I thought it was this. There's a way to do that, and I think I've got it stashed away in character. Enabled. So it is enabled. Equals false. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Start. Beautiful. I feel like it's not actually listening to me. Oh, wait. I know why. No, that doesn't make any sense. Because this is the actual health bar object, right? So this is the enemy health bar right here, but it's not actually doing it. Yeah. It's not disabling it for some reason. but I want to disable this by default anyways. So there's that. Yeah, okay. So that works. And then when we target it, when we target an enemy, what we want to do also is that goes in character here, right? So when we target an enemy here, set target. Ah, okay, yeah. Slowly going insane. Okay, so update target to do enemy health bar equals max stat. Then the current health we'll say is target object dot stats dot max health, which is fine for now. And then here, just to make sure that it's working, we're going to say -10. And then enemy health bar dot enabled equals true. What game are you making, 2 or 3D? Making 3D. Definitely 3D at the moment. We decided to switch to 3D. Yeah, so we're going to switch over to 3D, but it's going to be top-down, kind of League of Legends Diablo-y. Initially, I was going to go 2D, but there's some benefits to 3D, mostly the modeling. We can repurpose models, and there's a lot more. There's many more assets. It's also one of the reasons why I ended up choosing Unity when I switched. Right, update is not actually being called. Update target is not being called here. Do here, and then new target, and then if target is not equal to null, there, and then here we're going to hit play. All right, we again still have not done this in the here. Let's do here. Update target, new target, hit info.transform. There we go. Oh, I love it. Unity enable / disable images. Canvas image. Why does this hate me? I feel like it's just trolling me a little bit here. So this would be debug.log enable enemy health bar. So we know that it runs. It's just it does not like that it just doesn't want to enable it. Great. So much fun. All right. Let's just enable it by default then, since it's going to be like this anyways. And let's see if this actually works. Enemy health bar enable. Play. 0. It does not update the health bar. Beautiful. All right, what is the problem? I think it's not actually updating the value. Yeah, it's just not updating the value. Oh, what did I do up here? Oh, it's this. Probably that. Wow, that just went straight to 0. Well, at least it updated. What is it saying the value is? Is it updating those? Those are 65 and 75, yeah. So that should not be 0. This should be a very different number, like exactly 74 or something silly like that. Why does it hate? So much hate. Enemy health bar. Or I should say target health bar. Is it difficult to learn Unity? It's been not a huge amount of all the funds right this moment, but that doesn't mean it's difficult. It's different. Target. I think this might be it. Let's just disable this for now. We'll just do this. This will be, oops, target. It's not been that hard. There's definitely things that I need to get used to though. How old are you? I'm older, I suppose. Suppose I'm older? Or was it? It was user, right? Enemy health bar. Hey, it worked. It was because I had it disabled. Why does this not have any values? Sorry. Now it's all weird. All right, let's fix that now. I think it's because I'm disabling it this somewhere. Or maybe it's because I'm calling enable on it. Let's try this. Do you know Brekkie? I know of Brekkie. I actually used his tutorial to make the health bars. They will probably look very familiar if you've watched Brekkie. Enemy. Here. Where's my target? Let's make the target public. Transform target. We'll make this not hidden for now. Let's do this. Beautiful. And then come back here. There. Enemy 1. enemy 3. Yeah, so we're definitely clicking through the enemies, but the health bar is being the worst. The current health is not updating at all. What if I introduce a random number of some kind, or make oh, I know. What I'll do is I'll go to the enemies and I'll make their stam different numbers. So this one will be 2, that one's 1, and this one's 3. There. I forgot that I was in the wrong thing. So this one will be 3, and this one will be 2. Save and play. How about Skyku? Maybe? Siku or whatever? I'm not very good with names. I don't think I've watched any of his videos. I quite possibly might do that. Here we go. Enemy bar. Here. We can see the max health jumps to 75. This is 75 and this is 75. So it's never updating. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I know why it's not updating, at least now. Ow. Ow. Wait. New target should be... No, because this runs after new target. New... Oh. Watch his tutorials and Code Monkey. I'll give it some thought. I think that this isn't updating correctly. No, it should be, because then the Halo wouldn't be kicking around here. Because this should definitely be a thing that should work. Okay, so if we set the target, it should automatically set the target object. Right, and then if value is not equal to target, then it will try and update. Now we'll deselect. If that deselects, that's fine. And then this would do the update, if hit, update target. So then that would get called. Right, so like, let's do this. Actually, wait. Do this. Let's go back. Did we put a log in here? No, we don't. No, we do. We do. We do have a log in here, so we'll play this again. Let's see if the log comes up twice. Yeah, okay, so the log comes up twice, so it should be setting these, and it's totally not. Current health. Maybe this set's not working. Debug.log setting health current health bar current value. And if we do this, we can put the value here, and then vlog format here, and then wait, what? Oh, right, I forgot to put the semicolon at the end. Still not entirely used to using semicolons all the time. Coming from my primary language is not using semicolons to this using semicolons, and switching back and forth constantly is a bit of a chore sometimes. Okay, so setting health to 75. Current health to 75. That's not right. Current health should not be 75. It should be, yeah, wait, what's going on here then? And then that puts it at 0. What the? How did we get to 0? How did we get 75? This should never be 75. Like, okay, let's go back and take another look at this. Oh, wait, no, it should be 75 because this has a higher max value. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this because that's causing some interesting problems. Let's do this. And then this doesn't need to have a setter and a getter anymore. You can just do this. Come back to that if it becomes a problem. To do if max health is equal to 0, return current health equals 0. Return okay, so max health is equal to 0. So if value is equal to 0, or max health is equal to 0, current health equals to 0, then we can just do this. We don't need to worry about that anymore. There we go. Okay, so why is this being silly? This runs once, essentially, right? So like, and it's not even giving the right values. Oh, wait. I know why. No, because this runs first and then this runs, which uses the target object, which is set through this. So why is target object not updated? Why does target object not update? Something health bar 65. Sure. Current value is 0. Like, of course. Okay. Okay. So target health bar. Which is this. Here we can say target health bar dot current health equals 0. Target health bar dot max health equals 0. There. This is somewhat initialized now. Then we come down to the bottom here and we update it. This should update here, which it's not for some god-awful reason. One, this is not the correct value. This should not be this value. This should be a different value. It's also should not be interactable because I don't want this to be interactable. There we go. These should not be interactable objects. Well, why are these interactable? There we go. Okay, at least they're not interactable anymore. Okay, this does not set, neither did it get set earlier. So there's definitely a problem here. Okay, enemy health bar. Save. So this does kind of work. Like cool, it's at the max. Hey, it's at the max in the current at least. But, you know, like it set it to what I think is probably the wrong character, because I think that's this one. So target object is wrong. Log format. Setting health bar for target object dot character name. Right. This will be character name enemy 3, enemy 2, and enemy 1. Play. Okay, so we do get that. That does give me the values there back. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm getting the right enemy here, but it's not updating the target health bar. Here, moved into here. And this would be the target object dot stats dot max health. $75. Setting health bar current value 75. Setting health bar current. Wait, why is this getting called twice? This is getting called twice. Every time twice, and always the same values. Even though these do not have the same values. 1, 2. Oh, these are strength, so they are actually the same value. This should be 1. Stam needs to be 2. And then this one, we want the stam to be 3. There we go. Save. Play. Boom. 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 Yay. Okay. So much fun. I think it's this. I think it's probably that. I might be going insane. Well, we got somewhere. So 215, 75 and 65, 140. So we're getting somewhere. We got the right values at least. And then here, actually, wait, not that. I want to do it here. Okay, let's take a look at this here. The current health. These are all the same, right? Yeah, these are all valid. 65, 75. Okay. Okay, so it is setting those correctly. The slider is just not updating. Current, no, so slider dot value equals 0. Oh, shoot. I think I know what the issue is. It's got to be this, right? Maybe? That open up? Change that one? No. Okay, so now my health bar is broken. One of these. So user health bar, enemy health bar, save. Okay, so user health bar has completely the wrong everything. Amazing. So the set is completely broken. This does not work. The setter does not work. Like void set current health ulong new health to be current health equals new health, and then so I'm just going to take this essentially and just go like this, and this will just be value. Here we go. right? We need to set it correctly because of course target health bar dot set current health. Sorry. Yeah. Equals target object dot stats dot max health minus 10. There we go. Hey, cool. Current health is 0. It's totally setting to 0. Wait, what's the error? Oh, yeah. This is... What the... Oh, right. I'm an idiot. Nope. Okay. Times 100. Whole numbers, 100. Whole numbers, 100. Whole numbers, 100. Play. This is... Okay, so this health bar, slider dot value does nothing. Debug dot log value is 0. This is so much fun. The value's not changing. What was this? This was a slider. Sup, Jack? Unity slider dot value not changing. Maybe because you're dividing an int by an int. I'm guessing your scores are integers. Try changing to enforce floating point. Also make so okay. Debug dot log format new slider value divided by max health. New slider value 0. Okay, beautiful. I think I did this the wrong way, maybe. Maybe it needs to be the other way. Let's do this math one more time. So if we've got 75 health and we divide by 65, we get... No, so it's 65 divided by 75. We get that there, right? Does this need to be, does one of these need to be cast to a double? Like does this need to be a double too? Is that like the problem or something? Okay, that was like legitimately the problem, apparently. What about now? Okay, so that was actually the problem. Cool. Cool. Okay, so yeah. Double? No, okay. Sorry, excuse me. There we go. Times by 100. What's the problem here? To do 0. Sorry. To do the end dot f dot o dot f. Oh no, this needs to be a float. Float. I'm just gonna leave that there just in case. Oh my god, that works. Okay. How do you remember all these codes? Practice. Like literally practice. Been doing it for a long time. I've not been doing this kind of development for a long time, but I've been doing software development for a long time. Set this here, comes into here. King, he has selective selective telepathy. Interesting. Like, maybe? Current health. Okay, so this should fix the problem now, and now I don't need that set current whatever. I can just do it the way that I wanted to. Current health equals that. Okay, and then here we're gonna look at that. It's freaking beautiful. It's so good. I'm actually not going to do it this way though. I'm going to change this. So what I'm going to do is this will be decimal dot unity des. That's not what I wanted, but yeah, okay. New decimal data. Okay, so this would be here. This would be new decimal value. Like this. Decimal value equals, this would be decimal. This would be new decimal dot decimal? No. Dot from unity long to decimal. Don't care about double, but that's a cool idea. If you came here looking for how to use UN, it's likely a result of getting a compiler. That's not what I wanted. How was I doing this decimal stuff before? Where's character again? It's character stats, I think. No, was it stats here? Oh, okay, here we go. Does this need... Yeah, okay, so I need system. I think I need system for this. Using system. Oops. Decimal, so this would be... I think this just now it becomes decimal, and this would be the value. And then we have, we're just gonna get rid of that for now. And then what we do here is we say do this, and then decimal. And then this would be decimal dot divide. And we do decimal value. Interesting. Decimal value. Decimal max health. Oops. Max health equals decimal max health. Never will be a fan of this stuff here. Decimal there. And then decimal percent equals decimal dot divide decimal value by decimal max health. And then we have to convert this decimal converted percent. I'll fix the spelling later. Decimal dot multiply 100, which is a decimal. How was I making, didn't I make a decimal value in stats somewhere? Yeah, here. I think I've got some miscellaneous ones here, right? No, wait. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to not worry about that. And then here we're just going to say decimal dot to float. To double percent. And then here we want to take this to a float. There. Beautiful. And then if we come back here, what we're going to do is we're going to make these that, and this is 1 and 1. And this does not use whole numbers. There. And then we hit play. Beautiful. Solves the problem. Now we know that we have accurate freaking numbers. The issue here was that, so like the reason why we had to do it this way is that the max value for a ulong, which is an unsigned long, which is an unsigned 64-bit integer, is greater than the max of a double. which is greater than the max of a float, and we needed a float value. So we do have to do it as a percentage out of 100 rather than a percentage out of, rather than just set the two numbers, which would make life infinitely easier, right? But we need to do the math because we need it. You can't divide a u long by a u long. So we need to convert one of these into a double, but because one is because a u long can be represent a larger number than a double can, you can't cleanly cast. Theoretically, there are some situations that this might not work in. Although I could be completely wrong and I could have just overly done this. Anyways, this gives you more accurate division and multiplication anyways, so it doesn't matter. And we're only doing it once. Like we don't do it constantly, so it's not a huge deal. This gets called only when we update, so. And only for the visible one, so whatever, doesn't matter. I'm okay with taking this performance hit here. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful. Oh, Now, if we had them all over the place, it could be a problem, and I wouldn't want to deal with that. Okay, there we go. All right, so user here. That's fine. Then character here. We've got the attack. Melee attack range. Did I surface melee attack range? I did. Public float. Yeah, okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do an attack inside of our characters here. Update. There we go. If target is not equal to null, we will attack. Now, there, it's not attack. It's not doing a very good job. Where's my distance? Let's check out this character here. Attack distance. Do I not have the attack distance? I do not have the attack distance. This is beautiful. I thought I was logging that. Maybe this needs to be bigger. This should also be ungodly huge, right? So I will just say like 100 Godot. Maybe. I don't think that's correct, but like, oh, okay. So 100 Godot. 01 play. Huh. Let's find out if we're attacking. Debug.log attacking. If target is not equal to, okay. Okay, so we're attacking a lot, but it's not fixing the health problem. Oh. Wait a second, I know why. private, oh, sorry, public virtual, wait, was it public virtual or override? Public override. Override attack. And then, so that does the attack. And then we'll do update health bars, health bar, update, and then we'll do you are depressing, right? Want to hear a joke? Sure. Always up to hear a joke. Then we'll just do this update here. To do there, and we're gonna create a. This will be a private void update. Update target health bar. Actually, no. We'll just say private void update health bars. Where we do this here, and we're gonna do the ones at the top too, which are these two. There, and then we'll do this update health bars. Interesting. Oh, this is why. Oh, right, I don't have current health. Wait, do we even have the take damage? Oh no, it's just health. Target object. Have you ever known that dogs can pee on the pant? Dogs never pee on the pant because they can't wear You should spread this joke, man. 10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10. I think I attacked the wrong person. Or wait, did I flip these? Are these like legitimately the wrong ones? This is very possible. This is like super possible that I messed this up real bad. Okay, so we go here and we say focus. Here, right? Canvas, focus. Focus. There we go. Which one is which? Okay, so this is the enemy. This is the hell. Okay. That should be fine, right? That should work. I thought you laughed at my joke, but you didn't. No, I did. I did. What do you mean I didn't? I am so confused as to how you got that I did not laugh at your joke. Oh, wait, I know why. My health is not correct. Start rigid body here, right? This would be health equals. You see, this would be stats dot max health. Are stats not initiated yet? Okay, so here we would do stats equal new stats, new character stats. There we go. Max health. Why is this erroring out? Right, health needs to be a U long. Beautiful. There we go. Can you tell me a joke? Oh god, I'm not very good at this. Character 17. Wait, what? Why is this the error? What's the error here? Get max health. Oh, stats. Here. Wait, what do you mean get? One sec. No, I want. Okay, here we go. Character 17. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Get max health. But I don't really know any jokes. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. It's like as far as I go, unfortunately. I get component rigid body. Like, I think that helps. There you go. I told a joke. I made the ha-has. Okay, wait. I think this is working now. Sort of. Maybe. It's not really working. Why does this hate so much? Okay. I'm gonna put this back into here so we can see it. Okay, so health bar for me, great. Health bar for the enemy, not so good. Okay, there we go. Oh, it worked. It worked. It works so well. Oh my god, it works. Yay. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Unity timer. Do your dog look hot? I don't have a dog. Time left. Delta. Oh, okay. That would work. That's actually a really good system. Okay, so what we do is we'll do attack speed. Yeah, so let's say here we'll say public float melee attack speed equals 100f. Now what we want to do is have this We could have this as a number, like a negative. Yeah, I could have this as a negative. So if I have this as a negative, then we can add, right? We can subtract away. And then once it hits over 0, we do the action. I think I like that. Because that way when we assign the number, it's, are you mad? I am not mad. Yeah. There. Here we do private, or sorry, public float melee attack timer equals negative equals there, and then on start. Does this have an on start? Yeah, it does. On start, melee. Oops. Wait, did I put a float on those? Okay, yeah, I did. Then here we would say melee attack timer equals melee attack speed here. I thought you mad at my joke because you don't have a dog. No, I'm not mad at your joke. Don't you worry. Attack. We pass an attack with, if we pass in the delta. Wait. No, we don't need to pass in the delta, I don't think. Delta time. Yeah, we just have access to delta time. Okay, so this would be melee attack timer plus equals time dot delta time. Wait, isn't this? Oh, right. It's a function. There we go. It's not a function, it's a property. Answer this quickly. 99 times 99. I don't know. I'm not very good at math in my head. And melee attack timer is greater than 0. There, and then melee attack timer equals melee attack speed. That makes sense. I can get behind that one. Wait. I think we just do a different one here. If dist is less than me. No. I want to do this in here. No. I don't know. If dist is less than melee attack range. There we go. How about dad plus mom equals son? Or daughter or child? I guess it would be child, right? There we go. 100 might be a bit long. Dude, what did I set that for, actually? Yeah, 100 is way too long. 20. Let's do minus 20. Or minus 10. Yeah, save. Play. Look at that, it's beautiful. It totally works. If you see the answer, it 99 plus 99 times 100. I don't get it. How is mum plus dad 99 plus 99 times 100? You're going to have to explain that one to me. I'm a bit dense. This should probably be 2. Maybe 3, actually. Yeah, but how do you get those numbers from mum plus dad? Okay, so health bars. Value. Current health. If the value is 0. It's underflowing. That's why it's underflowing. Value. Current health. Character do attack. Take damage. Here we go. Okay, so this would be a U long. New health equals health minus amount if new health is greater than amount. Sorry, greater than health. Health equals 0. Else. Are you good at math? No, not particularly. I don't suppose I am. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I can remember formulas. That's about it. Like, I can't do math in my head. This isn't quite what I wanted. Math. I did very well at in math class. It was probably my best class. But I can't do math without a calculator. I just have a knack for remembering the formulas. I'm pretty good. I'm better than the average person at memorizing the formulas. That's about it. I am terrible at English though. Absolutely god awful at English. If max health. Oh, wait. This needs to be stats dot max health. What subject that programmer need? It's not really a subject that really truly relates to programming. Math or physics? Not really. Like, I don't know. It depends. It depends on the field, right? Is mostly it. That's a problem. Oh, okay. Wait. I think this is starting to work again. See, that's target is. What's my target again? Enemy 1. Let's see the health of enemy 1. Where's health? Health doesn't show up because I've got it not set here as public. It's set as private. Or no, it's set to not show up in the UI. There we go. I don't know. Programming is kind of entirely very very relative to like what you want to do. Where's health? There we go. 75. There we go. 65. There we go. Right? Like if you want to, let's see if this overflows. Or sorry, yeah, if this overflows to max, attempts to overflow to max. Yeah, if you want to be a software developer, you just need strong reasoning skills and logic. I guess strong logical and reasoning skills or something. It's just mostly about solving the problem. Like if you can get the problem done, nobody cares. And depending on what type of programmer, what type of software developer you are, will dictate to like what skill sets you need. So like I do a lot of web development. I do not need mathematics for this. You don't need a whole lot of math for web development. You need a lot of math for game development though, like math and physics and stuff like that. How does you learn a ton of things in only 3 days in Unity? Because I have what, like how long here? One sec. I have to log into my LinkedIn to find out. I can never remember. Let's see if I go to my LinkedIn, it will tell me. Where is it here? So I've been programming for almost 6 years professionally. Yeah, but so like the biggest difference is that I've been doing software development professionally for like almost 6 years. Right? So and I've programmed in multiple different languages. So I've done programming in C. I've done well, not really done programming in C, but I've done programming in C++. I've done modification of applications in C where it's just like light editing. So like I can read C, but I can't program in it very well. Not that I can program in C++ very well either. I've written applications using assembler, very small applications. I had to do reverse engineering at one of my jobs in assembler, very lightly though, and I'm not very good at that either. I've done Python for web development, JavaScript for web development. I can do PHP, read a little bit of write. I've done reading and writing of it. I don't particularly like it. I've played around with Go. Because I was using the Godot engine, I had to learn the Godot system, right? So like the more languages you know, the faster you pick up the next one. So I think that the biggest reason why I'm able to pick this up a little bit faster is because probably just because I know I have more experience in other languages, and a lot of this is very in some cases is very similar to some of the stuff I do at work. And oh yeah, and then Elixir and Erlang, I know those two languages as well. Elixir's my primary work language right now. So yeah, but that's why. It's yeah. Just you have been learning 6 years now. Thought you was starting 3 days ago. Well, no, it's relative, right? Because like I started C sharp 3 days ago and I started Unity uh 3 days ago, right? Been doing software development for almost 6 years. So like I didn't learn programming 3 days ago. I learned programming like 6 years ago. I've programmed in a bunch of different. I've not even listed all the languages that I've programmed in, like actually written something in. Whether or not it's useful is useless, right? Is different. But yeah, I can program in just about anything. I just need the time to learn it, right? And it doesn't take that long to learn a new language, or at least the fundamentals of new language. Making something useful in a language is different than learning like the fundament, like the basics of it, kind of thing, right? But yeah, no. Once you get really good at one, once you get relatively decent at one language, learning your second language is substantially easier than learning your first language. But it's still difficult, right? Learning your third language gets even easier. Learning your sixth, seventh, eighth language is just like, oh yeah, you just pick it up and you go, right? Well, yeah, but I'm not a good C sharp developer. It's not like you could be like, hey, can you go write me this, complex application in C sharp? And I'd be like, yes, I can go do that. That makes perfect sense to me. No, I keep screwing things up. Like I didn't know that you couldn't divide like dividing without a double or a float didn't work. That would result in zero, and that tripped me up quite a bit. I just spent like this entire I spent 2 hours trying to debug that, and I didn't realize it was going on even. So it's yeah. But I think the biggest part is that I don't need to learn things like public, private. I don't need to learn about the return type being void or that this is a return type. I don't need to learn anything like I don't need to learn about functions. I understand passing in arguments already. I know how classes work. I know how instances work, right? I understand importing. Um, I can read documentation, which I know it sounds easy, but like actually reading programming documentation can be more difficult than people give it credit for. So like going and reading uh the actual like API documentation is something that it takes time to it's a learned skill, I think. At least I believe it is. Unity API documentation. Yeah. This is a learned skill. Like people are like, go read the docs, and it's just like, cool. Don't say that to somebody who's just getting started. That's just mean. Because like just reading the docs is not useful if you don't if you're learning, because like reading these docs does not give you the full context of like how all of this works together. Let me see. What am I gotta find one that actually has docs in it. Actually, this one's probably actually what I wanted anyways. Wow. There's no docs. What happened to the API docs? What? Why is this trolling me so bad? Here we go. Like this. Like, oh yeah, just go read this and you'll learn how to program. And it's just like, no. This is for somebody who already knows how to program. This is for somebody who can come in here and just start reading this and understand it. You are either a 1 or a 0. It's not necessarily true, Jack. Let's see, where was I? Right. I wanna respawn um that enemy when it dies, or disable it at least. So we'll disable it. Let's disable it so you can kill the enemy and it doesn't respawn, right? So here, take damage. Attack. Did health bars. Here, if target object dot health is less than or equal to 0, which we always know that it will be equal to 0 because 0 is the floor, is less than or equal to 0, then we want to clear target. And I'm going to create a clear target function in here so we don't have to do this ever again. Public void clear target. And then this would be target equals null. And then we want target object to also equal null. And then, yeah, there we go. And then this needs to actually be a virtual because we need to override it over here. Public override void clear target. There we go. And then here, what we want to do is user health bar dot max health equals 0, and user health bar dot current health equals 0. There, and then this is clear target, which we then want to go here. There we go. Now, if we come back into the game, we can hit play. Boom. We attack this enemy here. I think it's broken, or oh wait, that's right. I did not tweak this. This needs to be minus 2.5, I think, is about the right speed that I want. Here we go. Attacking no one. Boom. Attacking. Start attacking. It's totally getting there. Oh, right. I forgot to wait. I'm not targeting anything. You know what that means? I forgot to target. I forgot to clear this. Attack melee attack timer equals melee attack speed. Okay. I think that should fix it. Then wait, they attacked. Oh, wait. It's this. I think that should do it. And then if target is equal to null, we just return. on 3-on-1. Wow. A bully. Yeah, pretty much. Here we go. They drop down. We do this. Boom. Boom. Oh, this is beautiful. It works. There we go. I don't think we're targeting anything. There, we didn't target anything. Wait, did we just hurt ourselves? I think we hurt ourselves. I think we killed ourselves. It's so good. It's so good. Target or target dot name is equal to user. I think we totally killed ourselves. That was great. That was amazing. All of a sudden our health goes to 0. I'm just like, that's weird. Oh, weird. Okay, wait. Oh, that's why. Clear target. Helps when you do the right thing instead of the wrong thing. We can kill all of them. I forgot to unfocus though. Here, this is a little getting unwieldy. Unwieldy here. Clear target. Okay, so this would be target dot. What was it? It was the halo thing, right? Yeah, this. Target object dot halo dot enabled equals false. There we go. Three on one. It's actually 4 on 1. There's 4 enemies. You just can't see one of them. Yeah. Object reference. Character 94. 94. If target is not equal to null. How did it hit 94? It's literally saying if target. Oh. Oh, great. Wait, shouldn't that get returned? Yeah. Not set to an instance of object character. Clear target. Right. The clear target situation here. So if target is not equal to null, if target is not equal is equal to null, return. I think that. Let's see if this fixes it. Uh, 97 again. Of character, 97. This. Oh, wait. That's why. There we go. Got a little things out of order here. Ah, here we go. Boom. Beautiful. That did not work. Why did that not work? Halo enabled false. Maybe this first. Wait. Yeah, I think this first maybe. Let's try this again now. Actually, wait. Before we start this, let's update our character's attack speed to minus 1. We're gonna attack super fast. There we go. Beautiful. Do. Get a haircut? I'm working on it. Sleepish was here. It's a work in progress. I need to grow it out a little bit longer, and then I'm going to donate it. And then I'm going to get a haircut, and I'll go back to having short hair again. I miss having short hair so much right now. Can you had Among Us imposter in your game? Like, maybe? We all have long hair. That's true. Jack also has long hair. Come on. You want to cut it too? Yeah, I don't blame you. It's not really the kind of game that we're working on, that I'm building though. I don't want these to collide. But whatever. Like, these don't actually need to collide that way. I don't want these to collide that way. No. No, not even a little bit. Was this info? No, it was contained. Freeze position, X, Y, and Z. Rotation. Yeah, I need to do this on all of them so they're not affected that way. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oops. There we go. Save. Let's run this again. Red equals sus, if you say so. I still don't want these guys to be able to like collide like this. What happens if I freeze their position completely, right? Like if I go like this and I just freeze the X, Y, Z positions on these, I think they just don't move at all, right? Yeah, they cease to be able to be moved. Collision detection. Is kinematic? Oh, right. Because I've still got this guy all like here. There we go. So good. All right, what's my user at? 0.5? All right, we'll just put all of these guys at 0.5. We're just going to put them all at 0.5. These will all be 0.5s. Y 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. If I make these all like kinematic bodies, right? What happens if I bump into them? What happens if I bump into a kinematic body? No, I still get the pushy. I don't want the pushing. Oh, wait. That's not the this one's the kinematic. There we go. That's what I want. Let's try that with user now. What happens with user? What happens if I make the user a kinematic body? Is kinematic. Play. Interesting. Okay, so then if I go over to user, right? I've got this. Maybe this will work if we do it now. So good. Okay, so okay. Okay, that makes for an interesting situation there. Okay. So, okay, if new position XY. Wait, what's this? No. Wait. No. Out. Distance. Wait, maybe this. This would be transform dot position. Maybe this. Yeah. It's a plane. Why is it a plane? Okay, so use kinematic is not what we want right now. Maybe in the future though. Maybe in the future we might end up using use kinematic. In the meantime, it just doesn't work. Continuous dynamic, speculative, interesting, discrete. Huh. So I don't get quite what I want, but like, wait, what's? Oh, right, yeah. This mouse button movement just is not what I want. What was that? Oh, this. We'll come back to this later. Yeah, we got something going. All right, so if we do this here, take damage. Here we want to, if 0, what we're going to do is stats dot max health, right? And then here we'll say here we'll do no. We'll do 0, but here we want to do collider. Disable? Undisable. Collider distance 2D. Player disconnect. Destroy immediate. Allow destroying asset. No. Would be here would be relocate, right? But I don't know what the coordinates would be. Let's relocate it to a random location here. So we'll go over here to, we'll say, why am I still moving? Okay. We'll say between -20 and negative to +20 on and that will give us a little box that we can go into. Actually, what if I do this between, we'll say from start at 6 -6 to 20. There we go. Or actually, we should make this 40. Let's make it 40 to 40. Yeah. All right. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Spent way too much time on those bloody health bars. Anyways, thank you to everybody who joined. Thank you to everybody who chatted. Thank you to everybody who lurked. Thank you to everybody who was awesome. And I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. Are you all tomorrow? All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.